Today, 465 local theatre artists perform at this prestigious stage, including actor, director, writer, backstage artists, and of course the makeup man and sound and light engineers. We have produced 46 original plays in this stage in different languages: Hindi, English, Marathi, Bengali, Kannada, and of course Gujarati. So this is our achievement. The second goal of this organization was to bring the communities together.
First of all, thank you each and every one of you being here and supporting Natya Darpan for since last 5 years, and wish Ashok and his team Natya Darpan to continue for next 25-30 years to make sure that Indian heritage is truly getting passed on and heritage to the next generation.
Middlesex County is the most diverse county in the state of New Jersey. And we're thrilled that you're all here in our newly branded Middlesex College to enjoy what are going to be incredible plays. I've had the privilege of being here in past years, and the artistry and the brilliance of not just the writers and the producers, but the actors and the stagehands and everyone who put these plays together have overwhelmed me.
Hi, this is Ashok Chaudhary. I'm a president and founder of Indian Heritage and Cultural Association. We have organized this Natya Darpan, which is a fifth multinational, multilingual short play festival in New Jersey. We are so glad that there are 65 local theater artists are performing today, and I'm glad that the show is sold out. Thank you so much, audience. Thank you so much, theater lovers of New Jersey, New York, and Philadelphia. And thank you, Manna TV International, for your continuous support. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Assemblyman Sterling Stanley from the 18th District here in Middlesex College. We're here to celebrate the Indian Heritage Cultural Association's Natya Darpan plays that are being presented today. It's my great honor to be here today to present a resolution for all the great work that they do in recognition of the work and cultural things that they're bringing together into the county, into the different lifestyles, exposing the people to the culture of India and all the different plays that are being presented. It is awesome to see so many homegrown actors and actresses along with playwrights making these plays, putting these plays together, directors. So you see the multi-talented people coming together to put this together to visualize all these different plays that are being presented.
This is Ajay Patil, Councilman of Edison Township. Thank you, Manna TV and Manna TV International, for coming and covering the Natya Darpan event at Middlesex County College. There will be quite a few short play that will happening throughout the day. It's a very important event. Thank you, Ashok ji, for continuing the tradition of promoting the Indian culture and promoting the Indian talent in America. Again, I'm wishing him a good luck, and again, thank you for coming and covering this event. Please come and support Natya Darpan. Thank you.
On behalf of BMM 2022 team, I would like to congratulate Ashok ji and Indian Heritage and Cultural Association for successfully hosting the 5th Natya Darpan event. Year after years, the Indian Heritage and Cultural Association has been providing the platform for the renowned artists and for the upcoming talent, not just across New Jersey but across North America. We get to see the Bengali play, the Hindi play, and the English play on top of the Marathi plays. This year has been no different, right? We have a sold-out event, and we hope the crowd which is supporting Natya Darpan this year will support our BMM 2022 convention in summer of 2022.
Hi, myself Vidya Joshi from Chicago, and I'm a BMM president. So BMM stands from Bruhan Maharashtra Mandal of North America, which is an umbrella organization of all Maharashtra Mandals all over United States and the Canada. And let me share one thing with you, that we had some meeting, all hands meeting in Atlantic City, New Jersey this weekend. And I heard that there is a Natya Darpan show this week and which I'm hearing for last 5 years that it's extremely professional. And whatever acts I have seen so far, that have left no doubt in my mind that it's extremely professional, and I'm really happy to attend it. I wish all the success to Ashok Chaudhary and his team for Natya Darpan show and wish him all the luck in the future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shubhada Kamerkar. This is my friend Sunita Phatak. We both represent Theatrics New Jersey. We are a theatrical team of 10 families, and we present theater. That's what we do. Today we presented a tribute for Ashok Vanzari ji, who has been our mentor, our director, our friend. We miss him a lot. You saw we presented Ji Jaisi Aapki Marzi. We actually presented a small piece of it, and all of you loved it. It's the plight of women, it's oppression of women. And the way it was presented, the simplicity of it, everybody wearing white Punjabi dress with different colors of odni, what that represented was one woman, different aspects of her. So every woman, it was every woman's story, and that's the way it was told. So one was not different from the other, and that's what we tried to present. We will miss Ashok Vanzari, and we thank Natya Darpan for giving us this opportunity to give the tribute to Ashok, whom we miss a lot. Thank you. And thank you Manna TV and Manna International for coming here and presenting all our shows. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Neva. Acting in a negative way, it was difficult to learn how to have those expressions, but with everyone on the team that was really good at acting, it really helped, and they encouraged me, and they were really patient during practices, so to learn how to act negatively was really helpful with them. It's a good way to open up your feelings and express in a different way, in a new type of art, in acting, so it was a really good experience. So.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini Kure. I've been in theater for almost like 7 years now, but on and off, like I've been performing on the stage with Natya Darpan. Though this is my first time I was performing, I've always come here to watch all the shows, and they are incredible, and I always wanted to perform in Natya Darpan. So there was a great opportunity for me to really perform this time. The thing is that Neva is my real daughter, so basically I was in fact thinking that if this would have been the real thing, how I would react to it. As a mother, there's like emotions, love, angriness, sadness, all sorts of emotions all together. I need to put it in there. So I was just kind of thinking that if I were in that real situation, how I would have done it. So that's exactly I did it. Yes, definitely. Natya Darpan is one platform for all the theatre lovers. They get to see not only just like a play on the theatre, but different languages. They enjoy like kind of acting in different genre, like comedy, from sad, from angry, and all the emotions are in there. So Natya Darpan is one of the place I would definitely recommend everyone for every year to come and watch. They'll get plenty of entertainment there.
Hello, I'm Sanjay Shetty. I have directed The Bad Seed. So I just wanted to address what was questioned. Bringing everybody to the practices, working together week after week, and especially during COVID times, it was a big challenge, and sacrifices had to be made. So we followed the protocol. We tried to keep our bubble going. Neva specifically, with the school and her classes and afternoon sessions and other activities that she's involved in, she was very accommodative of our rigorous practice schedules. And everybody over here was very accommodative of coming and practicing and dedicating that time, late nights, weekends. So although it was challenging, it was also very satisfactory because I had the support of the team, and they kept me going.
First of all, thank you Manna TV for coming out to 5th annual Natya Darpan 2021 and giving us support as always. You guys are doing a great job. Coming to Natya Darpan, it's amazing. After 2 years, I guess we are back to in-person at this event, and again a sold-out show and wonderful 5 plays underway. In fact, as I speak, There are plays going on right now in the auditorium, and I'm here talking to you guys. I would rather be there, but good luck to Ashok Chaudhary, who's been the backbone behind this event and the festival, I should say, and doing such a huge job, great job with so many people, bringing such wonderful plays at this event. And I think if you've not been here, you've missed a lot. So next year, you make sure you buy your tickets and be here and support them. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Deepan Ray. I'm the chair and founder of South Asian Theatre Festival. So I'm here actually as an advisor for Ashok and Natya Darpan from the beginning of his festival, which is 5 years ago when we started together working on it. And I'm happy to see that this festival is now back on live again. He was supposed to celebrate this last year when he was all ready to go, but unfortunately because of the pandemic, we had to postpone it. And we never thought that we will be able to come back again so soon, live with a full auditorium, and people are enjoying. And myself, as an, I am working on COVID pandemic, how to keep people safe, how to vaccinate, promote vaccination myself as a pharmacist, my profession. So I worked with Ashok together to how we can bring people safely here for the first time with a full auditorium, implementing CDC recommendations to keep people safe while enjoying all the shows. So I'm glad that I'm all the time watching and people are really, really adhering to the COVID policies and you mentioned, and trying to keep themselves safe and everybody else is safe while enjoying the performances. So I'm happy that Ashok made it happen. And this is the first event actually when we are coming out of home and trying to sit together and enjoy the performances.
Hi, my name is Sangram Deshmukh. I'm the director of Purushartha, this play we performed here at Natya Darpan. And this is my wonderful team, Team Purushartha we call ourselves. It was a great honor to perform at Natya Darpan. This is our first appearance at Natya Darpan. And we are really, really happy to kind of do our show here, as well as we are really amazed and really to see the amazing hospitality which we experienced here. So thank you, Mr. Ashokji Chaudhary and everybody, the entire team. This play, Purushartha, as some of you must have seen, it is about it is a spy thriller. It is about how soldiers in a war situation kind of go through immense pressure and how they handle those pressures. And I will invite my cast here to talk about their individual roles. This play was initially in Marathi, and then on the request from Natya Darpan team, we translated in Hindi. So Sunil, who played a major in this play, also did a translation job as well, Hindi translation. So we'll start with Sunil, and then we'll go to Captain, and then Hina, basically Sandeep Sawant, and Anjali Manohar, and then we'll talk with the rest of the crew as well. So Sunil, why don't you share your experience?
I'm Sunil Mazumdar. I co-produced this play with my wife Lalita. Like Sangram said, I translated it into Hindi. We have done this play a few times in Marathi, and the story is very nationalistic. It is about nation's pride, and it was the next logical step to do it in a national language. I really had a good time translating it and performing it with the team. As far as the role is concerned, I found this role to be really, really difficult, to be honest with you. There were moments where it feels unrealistic, that sort of idealistic behavior in an army setting. How do you portray that? How do you portray being in control without losing control? It took a lot of work, and I'm really indebted to Sangram and a lot of my team members who kept me honest, and I tried to do my best. Really want to give credit to Natya Darpan team for giving us this opportunity, and so thankful to the audience. This is the best audience we have had so far. I think we have a lot of responses, and it was great to, as an artist, to have that.
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you Sangram, thank you Team Purushartha for the opportunity, and thank you Natya Darpan for the wonderful opportunity. It's always a pleasure to come all the way from Washington DC to New Jersey and perform. It was great perform with such a wonderful team backstage. The entire team has done a wonderful job. And speaking about the role, this role was really difficult for me, especially because it has a negative shade, it has a negative layer, and I was confused since day one. And I thank from the bottom of my heart to Sangram, because Sangram explained the role. Being a director, he explained it so well. I was able to separate the negativity from the Indian pride and Indian soldier and everything. So all in all, it was great fun working with such a wonderful team, and thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Anjali Manohar. I played Hina in this play, and I have done this play in Marathi before, and this time I'm doing this in Hindi, and in New Jersey. I'm so happy about it. And for me, being a woman and being an Indian, it was very difficult to portray whatever I was supposed to. So there was little bit struggle, like mental and emotional struggle for me, but I tried my best. And I want to thank my whole team because they had supported me in all ways. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Anand Seshadri. I'm the music director for Purushartha. A big thank you to Natya Darpan for allowing us to perform here. And thanks to Sangram Deshmukh and the entire Purushartha team for making music an integral part of this play.
Hello everyone. My name is Deepali Nathu Kelkar, and here in Natya Darpan, I am performing in a play Sonata. Yeah. So this Sonata play is originally in Marathi, and मैंने ये play original cast में देखा है before few years. So at that moment, the whole script and how it was executed, even the cast that time who was performing that play was fantastic. और मेरे दिमाग में कहीं पे ये प्ले रहा था, और उसमें स्पेशली मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा था वो कैरेक्टर, दैट इज़ दोलन. शी इज़ अ बंगाली लेडी, शी इज़ सिंगल, नॉन मैरिड, मस्त अपना अपना लाइफ जीने वाली. जिसने वो किरदार निभाया था वो एक्ट्रेस भी मुझे अच्छी लगने लगी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस दोलन. और तभी कभी लगा नहीं कि इन फ्यूचर आई विल गेट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्ले दिस दोलन कैरेक्टर. सो बेसिकली दिस वॉज वेरी बिग चैलेंज फॉर मी बिकॉज आई नेवर पोर्ट्रे other than Maharashtrian or Hindi character in my theatre journey. So this was really challenging for me. And I used to work in India with Hindi and Marathi theatre, but this is a 5 years gap. I shifted in US, and after 5 years gap, when I got the opportunity to play such character, मैं ये चांस तो छोड़ने ही वाली नहीं थी. एंड द प्ले राइटर इज़ महेश एलकुंचवार. ही इज़ अ रिनाउंड प्ले राइटर इन मराठी, एंड उनके सभी प्लेज लाइक वाड़ा चिरेबंदी, सोनाटा, मैनी प्लेज, आई मीन वी ऑल आर फैन ऑफ हिम. सो उनके प्ले में काम करने का ये भाग्य है, ऐसे मैं कहूँगी. मतलब ये अपॉर्चुनिटी कोई नहीं छोड़ सकता. तो द प्ले इज़ अबाउट 3 लेडीज़ हु आर फ्रेंड्स विथ ईच अदर, और उनके फ्रेंडशिप पे पूरा बेस्ड है. और जब भी महेश जी ने ये प्ले लिखा था, इट वाज अहेड ऑफ टाइम. इट वाज अहेड ऑफ टाइम. सो दैट टाइम आई थिंक उनके थोड़े से विचार थोड़े से फॉरवर्ड लगे थे. पर आज के ज़माने में या इसके बाद आप 5-10 साल बाद भी ये प्ले करेंगे, बहुत कंटेम्पररी लगेगा. दैट इज़ अ मेन मोटो ऑफ दैट प्ले. और ज़्यादा कंटेंट तो मैं रिवील नहीं कर सकती. यू हैव टू सी आवर प्ले. मे बी आई विल सिंग द सेम सॉन्ग व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू सिंग इन द सोनाटा फॉर यू ऑल. সখী অন্ধারে এখলা ঘরে মন মনে না, মন মানে না, সখী अंधारे